Hello everyone, this is Balraj, Mojj Engineering System Limited. A very welcome to all. Today I am happy to tell you that we have achieved 60 years of success honorable and turnover more than 450 crores and get going to complete 500 to 800 targets soon. All efforts and all the achievement because of respected three IITians Mr. Madhu Gupta sir, Mr. Dhiren Oak sir and late Mr. B.B. Paul sir. So all of the efforts, all of the people of the Mojj Engineering System Limited have an equal effort to get success the company by working hard and the team efforts. And before start the session, I will request you to watch complete the session so that it will be very helpful. So what basically Mojj Engineering System we are choosing world class technology ahead with the time because we are very competitive toward the world. We are giving the competition to the others as CEE Engineering Private Limited and Mojj Engineering System Limited. So what we are basically, Mojj Engineering System Limited was incorporated in 1986 by three IITians Mr. Madhu Gupta, Mr. Dhirendra Oak and late Mr. B.B. Paul. Our work under able guidelines of Dr. D.D. Ravetkar, ex-senior scientist, National Chemical Laboratories. Research and Development Department with full-fledged pilot plant facilities are R&D laboratory. So whatever that going to in the market that already been tested in R&D laboratories, over 150 engineers are working on various aspects like process design, engineering, manufacturing, automation and commissioning. We have 5 state-of-art in-house manufacturing unit at 4 at Pune and 1 at Ahmedabad for meeting quality and delivery project. So this is what basically our head office are located, where they are located. So Mojj Engineering System Limited head office Pune, unit 1 in Bhosri, but that is in Pune also, unit 2 in Ranjagaon which is in also near Pune, and third is Man Pune which is also in Pune, and fourth is Markal that is also in Pune, fifth is Vatwa that is also in Gujarat. So we have 5 workshops including office that is spreading also across not only in India but also abroad. We have a positive gesture towards spread the technology, innovative technology. So next is business division. Now biotechnology, in case of biotechnology we are going ahead. Evaporator is our core area including dryers. So these are some of the pictures that is shows that how we are working toward the success in the competitive era with respect to we are giving the better and innovative technology compared to Praj, Excel and others. So whatever the achievement till now we have achieved. So the achievement we have the Bon Paki Industrial Merit Prize for the combination spray dryer, Bharti Sugar for Best Machinery Manufacturer National Award, that is also shows here. That is the one of the section is I have just attached with it. The certificate of plant under CEP, ED and ATX. So award Export Excellent Award from EEPC Government of India for dryer innovation and export for consequently 5 years. So we were getting 5-year consequent award because we were innovative and we were getting all the awards that were given by the EEPC Government of India. So basically we are ISO 9001 2015 certificate from the International Certification Register ICR. So this is basically the achievement we have got. Next is in-house activities. So what are the activities we do? So process design using in-house development software and simulation package involving heat and mass transfer. So mechanical design as per ASME, ASTM, TEMA and DIM DIN standards. So we are making all the design as per require the government of India ASME that provide ASTMA and TEMA and DIN standards, which are the one of the most innovative standard we have. Research and development. So what are the we are doing research and then it to be developed in, as I told you earlier, the same we have explained that we have the laboratory, that tested laboratories and all. Electrical and instrumentation control. So we have a different department of electrical and instrumentation control that handles also. This is also one of the most part that control all the electrical and instrumentation control. Manufacturing, that we have all the three manufacturing unit, five manufacturing unit I have told you, 3 to 5. So installation, commissioning and after sale service, these are the activity, in house activity we perform. So in this way we can say that a complete turnkey solution company, this is the Mojj Engineering System Limited. So the what we are recorded, what we have the records. The records are the location as well as installation we have done across the world. Africa we have done 17 installation, which is the one of the best number increase, and in India more than 1,000 installation we have done. In Canada 1, Europe 8, for East Asia 6, Mexico 1, Pakistan and Nepal 4, South Africa and Asia, East Asia 36, Turkey 25. So in this way the success across the world, the success tells its words. So these are the client list we have, the numerous client list we have. First of all we will discuss about the partial molasses based distilleries. So first of all, Reliance Sugar and Chemical Industries Limited. These are our clients. Janjiwar Sugar Factory Limited, Darola Sugar Works, Jamkhandi Sugar, Bogoli Sugar and Distillery, Shri Gurudatta Sugar. So in this way there are numerous clients we have successfully done the achievement erection, fabrication and commissioning. Because SSKL. So in this way in ethanol plants we have a Pure Circle in Malaysia, that is one of our client. So there are numerous clients we are dealing with now. So new clients are also coming with respect to competitive area, that we are providing competition to other companies as well. So this is a list here, the upgradation and moderation of plants. Malt plant, this is the list of the malt plant as well. Juice based distillery plant we have also installed, which is we are getting the second order. Shri Narmada Kusam Limited. In the same way we have a grain based distillery plants. Brahmaputra, one of the greatest success we have achieved. Installation, fabrication and erection, commissioning we have done. Not only this but also integrated evaporator and DDS dryer. The numerous clients we have: Reliance Sugar, Premius Organic, Shri Gurudatta Sugar, so Ethiopian Sugar. So in this way there are numerous client list we have successfully achievement. We this, as I told you, that the achievement tells everything. So next is integrated plant with air cooled condenser and biogas. So see, This is the efficient distillation, low energy footprint air cooled condenser. The innovative technology we are using air cooled condenser, and also not only in distillery but also in evaporator we used for cooling consisting high bricks product. So integrated plant with air cooled condenser and biogas we are using. This is one of the Ethiopian sugar picture you may see. So next is the process highlights. So what are the achievement we have in the process? So mechanical educator. So mechanical educator, what is basically the mechanical educator? It leads to increase the active yeast cell mass. Plant supplied by Mojj has achieved 11 to 12% alcohol with the induction of innovative for higher conversion, hence increase in the alcohol percentage and therefore better yield. This is also reduce the water and energy consumption. So this is the one of the technology that we have given that mechanical educator in the same way. Now today in the grain base we are getting 14% alcohol based upon 68% starch. Depend upon the starch alcohol percent varies. So this is another highlight of the process, the axial flow pump. We provide the axial flow pump which helps incorporated axial flow pump to maintain the high velocity in the tubes of reboiler but with the low consumption of electric power. This is the innovative technology we have given the sort of the plants where there it is required. The high velocity are important to eliminate the soft and hard scaling stripper reboiler. So in the same way, the other highlights of the process which is molecular safe dehydration plant, MSDH. So advantage of MSDH over 3 bed system over 2 bed system. So what is basically it? Rate of change of pressure from atmospheric to vacuum is less as the regeneration is carried out in more time. Because of the additional bed available for regeneration, these enable almost complete regeneration of bed require fewer sweeps. Reversing movement of anhydrous alcohol vapor, dried alcohol vapor. This means the amount of alcohol is recycled is less. Also, the amount of product fluctuation in vapor flow is minimum. Thus, the system act as a continuous steady state system. Also, since the moment of the bed is lower due to the rate of change of pressure, the life of sieve is better due to less attrition. So because of less attrition, life goes longer. Theoretically, in more number of beds, even more than 3, which works individually for individual functioning like drying, depressurizing, regeneration, sweep will always be better when these functions are done by smaller number of beds. For example, if you use only one bed, then there will be disruption of product vapor flow completely when bed is under depression and regeneration. So this is the operating floor we have. So these are the operating floor we have. See the cleanliness, the Mojj engineering system which gives all the desire need as per client requirement. Basically Mojj distillation and integration evaporation. We are the first company that completely commissioned multi-pressure distillation and integrated evaporation available under one roof. So this is one of the companies, neither Praj nor even that Excel that has done early. We are the first company that we have improved steam economy by integrating evaporator and cascading column under vacuum and pressure. Incorporate axial flow pump at stripping to avoid the downtime and reduce the energy required in evaporator. Optimum design of the evaporator, selecting number of effect and heat transfer coefficient. CIP at a time plant shutdown. Hence no downtime and no additional effluent generation. So this is basically what that CIP we give with respect to plant shutdown. There would be no additional effluent generation. So this is the innovative technology. How what we have done, that we are the first company that is successfully commissioned multi-pressure distillation along with evaporator. And in axial flow pump stripper avoid the downstream, means that stripper we have given that axial flow pump for the avoid the downtime and reduce the energy requirement in evaporator. So the these are the achievements. So what are the innovation the Mojj give as compared to others? So we are the innovation. We are the first company to introduce integrated evaporators in distillery industry. That vapor bleeding will be there, which was in 2004. Since 2004, our evaporator are working without any stoppage. So this is a record breaking, that our evaporator works continuously without any handbrake. So basically what, that 11 to 12% per liter of the alcohol, that is conventional generation. Integration evaporator raw spent wash followed by biocomposition, 7 to 8 liter per liter of alcohol, and the solid percent will be 19 to 21%. 6 to 7% liter per liter of alcohol, 22 to 26% solid. 4 to 5% per liter of alcohol, 26 to 29% of the. So these are the biocompost plants. We have given the integrated evaporator raw spent wash plants. One of the Siddharthpur distillery in 2004, Vikas SSKL 2007, Chandravaga SSKL, and Kisan Beer Stasra, and these are applied in 2016, 11, and 10. So these are a record breaking, that along with the innovation technology we have given to our clients. Not only this, but also raw spent concentration for incineration 58-60% total solid. We have achieved the raw spent concentration of for incineration, that is desired for the boiler requirement. So in 2009 the Vijayanagar sugar, in 2015 Indreshwar sugar, 2018 Balkeshwar sugar. So in the same way, SSKL in 2018 and SSKL in 2018, that is Bravo Chavan SSK. So we have a numerous achievement during the years. Time to time we have done the innovations along with the evaporator. Not only this, the Mojj evaporator for incineration. So what we have achieved, the adequate margin for provide to take care of the variation FS contents. Alcohol content in wash and idle time during the CIP cleaning achieved up to 60% total solid without plant stoppage. The plant is being running since last 6 years. Complete wash is being burned in boiler. Steam requirement of complete plant is met. Surplus power being exported to grid. Not only this, but also ratio of effluent to coal, from earlier it was 60 to 40. Now it's been increased. The normal it's been reduced to 65 to 35, means 65 that is the calorific value, and 35 that is the normal ratio, effluent ratio been that along with coal. The ratio of effluent to coal bagasse needed to observe between minimum 60 to 40 up to normal 65 to 35. In the same way, that zero discharge plant. Why? Because we give incineration. That is one of the example of Indreshwar Sugar Mill Limited. That is, you can see that evaporator along with distillery, all the plant figure you can clear from it. And if you want to see anything, again you may pause this session, and in the same way you may repeat the session again. So narration of the plant feature, alcohol percent. So in grain waste we have achieved up to 40%, up to the depends upon the starch percent in the grain. And in case of high brix fermentation, achieved alcohol beyond 30%, leading to low effluent generation. Low energy distillation design, because by improving the integration, reduction and steam, drastic reduction in cooling water recovery, complete recycle of the process condensate water treatment. So complete recovery we provide with respect to condensate after the treatment. So basically what? Narration of the plant says the feature we provide Mojj engineering system limited as optimum heat integration. Utilization of heat in vapor alcohol. No additional energy is required to reduce 50% of the concentration in. So there is no need of additional energy required up to 50% concentration in evaporator. In the same way, efficient design of contribution system in evaporator scaling free, because this is the integrated system. These are the we provide scaling free evaporators across the globe. Now we will talk about the product, that the efficient distillation dependable evaporator. I will talk about the distillation, that will be low energy footprint and air cool condenser we provide. And in case of evaporator, the same ACC technology will be using to bring bricks desire with consistent high rate. So now this is the nominal process block diagram, that how it works, like a grain storage, then it goes to grain silo, then next to it is grain handling and milling, then it goes to liquefaction and saccharification, and here we apply steam. And here three tank system, in the grain waste we provide three tank system. Then it goes to fermentation, nominal cycle, after fermentation distillation, and here the steam, it is the multi pressure distillation system, that if we got 90% alcohol volume by volume, and then MSDH, it sent to the MSDH for 100% absolute alcohol, 99.8% alcohol. Then after distillation, two type of product comes out. One is thick slope, and this is that raw stillage comes out, and then it goes to decanter. From decanter, two type of product comes out, thick slope and thin slope. And thick slope will be separated out, thin slope goes to evaporator again for the concentrate. That is zero discharge policy, as per zero discharge policy. In the same way, some of the decanters we give as per drawing and design. Also some of the thin slope will be recycled again into the liquefaction nowadays in the grain waste distillery. So the thin slope, that is the thick slope, will go to the this the DWGS 70% moisture dryer, that where we reduce the moisture up to 10%. We get the product which is DDGS. So this is what we have the conversion cost on grain ethanol. So this is a 2021 figure I'm showing here, that how we have achieved that DDS production 39 metric ton per day. Grain required, that is the one of the calculation for 60 KLPD, 135 metric ton, and recovery will be liter per, that is the 443. Now we are getting 465 to 67. The average starch we observe here 68. For 300 days it will be working. So in this way, IS production figure is 1800 and RS production is 58 200. So in the same way, production cost, this is the figure of 2021. Now it's been changed, but still I'm telling you the 21 figure as per liter total spirit. So these were the rates at that time. Gross profit, interest and depreciation, which is 16. So grain cost was 40.61 per liter, and steam cost will be 5.41 per liter. So in the same way, others as well. Now our basis, basically how we design, basically suppose for example the plant capacity is 60 KLPD, so we give margin 10 to 20%, so that it will be 65. So 5 KL will be increased automatically. So this is the figure That suppose 60 KLPD is the plant, 96.38 which is volume by volume, that is spirit we are getting here. Then if in case of this is the impure spirit, we are getting 1860 liter per day impure spirit we are getting with 3% cut. Now it can be increase or decrease as per require. 3 to 5% cut will be there, and MSDH which is 99.8% alcohol. This is the process I have already explained, that liquefaction which is our continuous process, fermentation, batch, and distillation is the multi pressure, evaporation, integrated, dehydration is the dehydration plant, which is now feedstock grain. So basically starch has a 68% broken rice, 2% moisture and 12% protein, 11% fat, 11% protein, moisture 12% and fat 2%. In the same way, these are the nominal calculations that we, what on the basis of design we give such that the liquefaction efficiency will be 99%, fermentation 91 to 92%, distillation we give 98.5%. So basically steam utilities. So utilities which are very important, the we design on 3.5 kg per centimeter square at the rate 148-degree steam chest. So liquefaction 0.4 kg total spirit, that is the consumption of steam. The distillation 1.8 kg to 2 kg per liter, that is variable, but we try to achieve our minimum energy required, that is the integration evaporation, that will be also integrated because it needs nil. DWGS dryer 1.4. So in the same way, DWGS dryer has a 1.4 kg per liter of the spirit, which is the required, the steam consumption 1.4 kg per liter. And this can be changed as per the required calculation capacity of the plant. Dehydration plant which is minimum BV 0.55 kg per liter, and for distillation 1.8 kg per liter. In the same way, that delta we design for cooling tower, which is for fermentation 2 to 3 degree, and liquefaction, distillation, evaporator will be 7 to 8 degree, that are designed. So basically that what we do, make a fresh water requirement considering ATP treatment plant, which is 8 liter per liter of spirit, that is the effluent that is generating 8 liter per liter of the spirit. But it can be reduced by, now we have given ACC, that is reducing the consumption, which is 5 to 4 per liter per, liter of the spirit, total spirit, that is the reduction of the total consumption. The effluent bin, that the compressor air, the 6 bar will be using, the dew point will be 40 degrees Celsius, point dryness. Not only this, but also that we are innovative, we reduce the consumption of electricity 1415 volt per 4 wire 3 phase frequency, 50 AZ estimate power consumption. This is a nominal calculations that on which we have designed. We have given the competitive era of design as compared to others. So what are the chemical required for the process? Alpha amylase, glucoamylase, lime and caustic. And how the dose will be added? This is the standard 1.5. Alpha amylase will be added as per require 1.5, and glucoamylase is also 1.5, lime is 2 kg, and caustic is 10 kg per kl, which is required. So these are the some plant photos I'm showing here. That is the Haritha Bioproduct India Private Limited 66 KLPD, 60 KLPD Radico Bio Organic Private Limited, that is a grain based plant. Mallikarjun, and thank you very much for this PPT. The next session I will be bringing more valuable like this, and how we are increasing that innovation as compared to others in competitive era. So I can say that the Mojj engineering systems plant which are the best ever. Thank you very much.